Hello and welcome to this video. So here I'm going to share with you the best Facebook ad objectives for better results. Okay. If you want to run adverts either on Facebook or on Instagram, or you want to run adverts to your website, your WhatsApp, your Facebook Messenger, your Instagram DM, whatever it is, you simply want to have good results from your advert. This video is going to show you which ad objective is suitable for your business and for the kind of advert you want to run. Now, there are about 6 advert objectives right now on Facebook. Now, this is serve different purposes. We are going to dive into the ads manager, okay, where I'm going to show you the purpose each of these ads objectives serve and how you can select the ad objective that best fits into the goal of your business or your advert. Remember, the ad objective plays a great role in the success of your ad. Okay, if you choose the wrong objective, there is a very high likelihood that you may get poor results. I mean, it depends on what you want to achieve, it depends on the goal of your advert. So Facebook knows, they are the owner of the platform, they know the best objective for different products, different services, for different offers. So let's dive into the ads manager and get started. So here we're in the ads manager here, right? So once you come here, you click on create ad. You can see create ad here at the top left corner. You click on create ad. It's going to open up the ad interface, okay, where you are going to select your campaign objective. So you can see here it says choose a campaign objective, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By the way, I'll ask that you please give this video a thumbs up, like this video so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you'll be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. So when you come here as a business owner, the first one you see here is awareness objective. All right. In the previous ads manager set, in the previous ads manager before the Facebook gave it a new interface, in the previous one, you had awareness and reach on the same side, on the left side. But now awareness is here. So under awareness, you can see it has awareness shows your ads. Awareness shows your ad to people who are most likely to remember them. Okay, so it is good for reach, brand awareness, video views, store location awareness. I see some business owners use this objective, which is not bad. However, it is not the best objective for your business, depending on your goal. As you can see here, this is the platform. Facebook says this objective shows your advert to people most likely to remember them. Okay, not people most likely to buy, not people most likely to come to your store or whatever, but people most likely to remember them. So it is simply for awareness purposes. So it is good for reach. Reach means to reach, just to create awareness, to reach a higher number of people. It is good for brand awareness. Let more people know about your business. Okay, it is good for video views. I mean, you just want people to view your videos. Come on, yeah, show them. All right. It is also good for store location awareness. Let's take, for instance, you have a new store and you want people to be aware of the location of your new store. Then you can use the awareness objective to, create more awareness about your new store. You can create awareness about, let's say, about a trade fair you are holding, about whatever you are doing. Okay, this is not about sales. This will not bring in that sales that you are looking for. So bear it in mind that awareness is often used by big brands like Coca-Cola and the rest of them to create awareness. The next one is traffic. Traffic. It says send people to a destination like your website, app, Instagram profile, or Facebook event. So traffic is good for link clicks, landing page views, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, right? It is good for calls if you want people to call your phone number. It's also good for Instagram profile visits. So all those profile visit advert that you see people run on Instagram, they send traffic to their profile. So this is traffic. Let's take, for instance, you have a blog site. You create blog posts and you want people to go to your blog site and read your post. You simply send traffic to there. to your blog site. Okay, you send traffic. If you have an amazing post that you want people to go and read or engage with on your blog, you send traffic. This is mostly for bloggers. You as a business owner who is interested in making sales, you don't have to use traffic objective. You don't have to use traffic objective at all. The third one here is engagement. Engagement is used to get, the name is simple, is straight there, engagement. So you can get more messages, which is not completely true. Okay, which is not completely true. It- they said you can get purchases through engaging, through messaging. Yes, you can get purchase through messaging, but not exactly through engagement objective. Pay attention so you don't make mistake and waste money. Okay, so with engagements, let's say you can get page likes, post comment, shares. So this is good for people who who have videos. You just want people to engage with your videos. You are a comedian, you're a skit maker, you're a content creator, you want to have more engagement on your profile, on your channel, you want to have more more page likes on Facebook, right? You need more page likes to use engagement. You need more Instagram followers. You need followers on your Instagram, use engagement. Do you understand? So it says here it's good for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It's good for video views. Like I said, it's good for post engagement. People are going to like, comment, and share your post. Okay. It also says it's good for conversions. Yes, it might be good for conversion, but it is not best for conversion because the results would likely be poor. And they said it is good for calls. Of course, it's engagement. The thing is, the result engagement will give you will not be great result. It will be a good result, but it's not going to be a great result. So if you are looking for sales, engagement objective is not for you. It is simply for those who want to get engagement, just like people want to get likes, comments, shares, people want to blow up on Instagram, like get more followers and stuff like that. People sharing their content, engagement is for you. The next one is for leads. If you want to generate leads, okay, if you want to collect leads for your business or brand, it is good for forms, forms on Facebook. Okay, it is good for Messenger and Instagram, conversion calls, blah blah blah. I don't believe all this talk. It is simply good to generate leads. If you want to grow your leads, have your own lead. So you create a lead magnet, you run adverts with leads and and gather those leads. This one here is app promotion. If you have a new app, if you're an app developer or app creator or whatever, you can use this app promotion, okay, to find new people who are going to install your app and use it. So it's good for app installs or app events. So people are going to install your app, all right? So you can see here, get people to install your app. This one, get people to make in-app purchases. So the final one here is sales objective. This one is find people most likely to purchase your product or services. This is the oga patapata of them all. If you want to sell, this is the objective you should use. So it is good for conversion, right? It is good for catalog sales. It is good for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It is also good for calls. So pay attention. If you want to make sales, use the sales objective. It is more expensive. However, it is more effective. Okay? Yes, sales objective may be more expensive, but it is more effective. You should focus on the effectiveness. Focus on the effectiveness, the results you are going to get from the advert. So with this sales objective, you can send people to your with sales objective, you can send people to your website to purchase what you are selling. All right. With sales objective, you can send people to your Instagram DM to purchase what you are selling. So it is going to your advert is going to be shown to people most likely to buy what you sell. With the sales objective, you can send people to your WhatsApp. So this is going to show to people who are most likely, who are in the buying mood, who have demonstrated ability to purchase on either Facebook or Instagram. Okay. So when you use this objective, Facebook will show your advert to people who are most likely to buy. Yes, it might be more expensive, but it will give you better results. It's up to you now. Decide which one you want to use. But personally, I use sales objective if I want to make sales. If I want engagement, if I want more followers on my Instagram, if I want more comments, likes, shares, just viral stuff, I use the engagement objective here. So if you're a business owner and you want to improve the quality of sales and the quality of customers that chat you up or that send you a DM, then you may consider using sales objective. Then you can send them to your either Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp, and make sure that you have a good offer so that once they come to your Instagram or your WhatsApp or your Messenger, your offer will easily convert them to customers. I hope this video has cleared every confusion that you may have about which objective is best for your business. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer your questions in the comment section below. So leave them in the comment section and I'll attend to you. If you have any suggestions of videos you would like me to make, also leave them in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.